The French accent, les accents. The French language has several different accent marks, also called diacritics. They serve several different purposes. Sometimes they affect pronunciation, sometimes not. Sometimes they can completely change the meaning of a word. Let's have a look at the different types of the French accent and how they are used. List of the French accent. There are 4 French accents for the vowels and 1 accent for a consonant. The cédilla, la cédille, the acute accent, l'accent aigu, the circumflex, l'accent circonflexe, the grave accent, l'accent grave, the tréma, l'accent tréma. So how do we read, write, or pronounce these letters? What do the accent marks mean? The cédilla, la cédille. The cédilla is found only on the letter C. It changes the hard sound K into a soft sound S. The cédilla is never placed in front of E or I because C always sounds like S in front of these vowels. Let's practice. Listen and repeat. The sound K. K. Ko. Q. The sound S. Si. Se. Sa. So. Su. Important note. The cédilla is never placed in front of E or I because C always sounds like S in front of these vowels. So adding a cédilla will not change anything. The acute accent, l'accent aigu. The acute accent can only be found above an E. Its role is to change the pronunciation of the vowel. Acute accent on E is pronounced like English A. Let's practice. Listen and repeat. E. A. Tip. To pronounce E accurately, position your tongue like you are about to say A, but once you start making noise, don't move your tongue or lips. Keep them steady for the entire duration of the sound. The grave accent, l'accent grave. The grave accent can be found on A, E, or U. It does a few different things. On A and U, it usually serves to distinguish between homonyms, words having the same pronunciation but different meanings. Examples: A. Has is the third person singular form of to have at simple present. A is a preposition that can mean at, to, or in. U means or. U means where. There are many more examples that will be covered throughout our study of the French language. On E used to be pronounced like the English E as in the word pet. E. E. The circumflex, l'accent circonflexe. The circumflex can be found on A, E, I, O, or U. Its usage is somewhat complicated. First, it tells us how to pronounce A, E, and O. A is pronounced wrongly like an English A as in but. E is pronounced like an English E as in get. O is pronounced wrongly like an English O as in both or close. It also serves to distinguish between homonyms. Du, contraction of D-E-N-L-E. Du, past participle of the verb devoir. The circumflex also indicates that an S used to follow that vowel. Forêt, forest. The tréma, l'accent tréma. Tréma can be found on I, E, or U. It's used when two vowels that are next to each other have to be pronounced separately. Let's practice. Listen and repeat. Saül, Noël, naïve.